Hi everybody, it's Crystal, and it's time for another unboxing. Guess where it's from? Hobium. It's Hobium again. Now this time, I have a lot of their clearance yarns. I mentioned in my last Hobium unboxing that I had some of their clearance yarns coming, and that I would do a unboxing of them when they got here. They got some pretty good deals in their clearance. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'll tell you a little bit about Hobium. Hobium's based in Turkey. They ship lots of places. But when I speak, I'm going to be referring to the U.S. and I'm going to be referring to the U.S. dollar because that's where I am from. In Illinois, a little bitty town of about 500 people. So, they have free shipping over $150. Now, for me, that is very much worth it because I save my money. I buy over $150 worth of stuff, so I always get free shipping. I never pay shipping at Hobium. Not one time have I ever paid shipping at Hobium. Now, if you don't spend that much, it just depends on where you live, what your shipping is. So I'm not certain. So I'm just going to show you my last unboxing. If you have not seen that, link on the screen. That was a lot of their new yarns. Very, very nice yarns. Hobium is my favorite online store. So what I got here is their clearance yarns because I said I would open them on camera. A lot of people wanted me to. They got a lot of nice yarns in their clearance section for pretty cheap. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't excited to open them. I think I'm going to get right to it. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. But anyways, thanks everybody for joining me that likes to watch my unboxings. People always want to know what I do with this yarn. I get rid of it. It's gone after I open it. I don't have it anymore. That's all I'm going to say. I don't keep yarn. What you see on my shelf is just about all the yarn that I have. So, that's it. So, anyways, I'm going to show you what we got here. So, these were some big skeins. Oh, that's pretty. We're going to open it up a little bit and feel it and tell you about it. It's a nice soft acrylic yarn, and look at it, it's Tweedy. It's got purple and teal in it. I didn't notice that in the picture. I thought it was just solid blue for some reason. Ain't that pretty? So this is what it's called. I will never ever be able to pronounce that. But it's in their clearance section. So these were $6.25 a piece, 500 grams, 1,125 meters, so that's over 1,200 yards, and it was classified as a lightweight 3. I think it is it looks to be about a 4 weight. A thinner 4, probably like Carry On Simply Soft, but or a thick 3, I guess. It's not a real thin 3. So yeah, so it's 100% acrylic. It has the OEKO tech standards, I guess. That's safe for children or whatever that stuff is. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. I like it. It's a nice soft acrylic comparable to in the States. I always try to compare it to something. I would compare it to Hobby Lobby I Love This Yarn, if you're familiar with that. If not, maybe Red Heart with Love. A bit softer than that, probably. But I like it. I love it. I thought this one was solid blue. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? It's... That shows purple and blue. But when you look at it here, it looks like blue and teal. It's actually teal and purple. My camera's not picking up the purple. It's making it look blue. I guess it's kind of a bluish purple, I guess. I don't know. Bluish purple and teal. But that's cool. I like it. And like I said, $6.25. That's a good deal. Can't beat that. So I got some, and they had other colors in it. That was the blue and teal color number. Multi-blue. Okay, I just didn't see it for a second. This is color number gray, G-R-A-U, spelled different. And this one is the same. It's just a solid gray though. Yeah, solid gray. Same thing. $6.25 on their clearance section. I like it. You know, if you want to make baby blankets or something, that's a lot of yardage in that for that price. What did I say how many meters it was? Oh, did I say if it was washable and dryable? It does not say. It says washable, lay flat to dry. I have no idea why it says that, since it's 100% acrylic. But that's what it says. I'm gonna look up the. I can't find anything now that I was looking at. Man, this is embarrassing. There it is. All right. I'm going to get you the exact yardage because here in the States, we use yardage, not meters. So, it is 1,125 meters or 1,230 yards. So that makes it better for me whenever I know the yardage, because I don't do meters. Okay, even though I know they're similar. So 1,230 yards, $6.25. That is the blue and purple, or teal and purple, I guess, or teal and kind of bluish. There's the gray. Oh, I thought this one was pretty too. Actually, this one's black and gray. I think that would make a very pretty sweater. Let me flip that over. Ain't that pretty? That's the black and gray. This is called multi, anthra, and gray. What do you guys think? That's a 4-weight? I think you could probably classify that as a 4. A thinner 4, but yeah. But on the side, I believe it says it's a DK. I like it. That's pretty. So I just got some of the same colors in here. So let me see. I know they had other clearance yarn. I didn't mean to drop that box like that. Gonna open them up and see. I love jumbo skeins. Like I said before, if you missed my video, my dream is to have my own yarn line. And what it would be jumbo skeins like this, only like 3,000 yards of a medium weight number 4, either a 100% super soft acrylic or a 80 acrylic 20 blend, every color in the rainbow, and it would be called Yarn for Days. I just don't know what to do to manufacture it. I've been looking into it, but I have no idea how to even find anybody to manufacture it for me. Like, I don't know any yarn mills. I don't know anything about it. But anyways, like I said last time, everybody's got to have a dream. Okay, here's another one of their new yarns. Trim Aran. So these were $3.75, if I remember right, on their site. Yes, $3.75. So it's just what it looks like. Premium multicolored yarn. Aran 100% acrylic, so machine washable and dryable. 100% acrylic, 600 meters, so you know yardage is going to be a little bit more than that, maybe close to 700, something like that. And it's 656 yards. I was way off on that. And it's classified as an Aran weight, so that would be a 4. Yes, it is a 4 weight. Now, the feel of this one is not as soft as the others. This is Red Heart Super Saver Soft. But, as people have mentioned to me before, if you wash Red Heart Super Saver, wash it and dry it, that it softens up. And I can only assume that would be the same for all 100% acrylics, but I don't know for sure. But this feels kind of like Red Heart Super Saver. I'm pretty much, everybody's probably familiar with that in the States. But look at it, it's got the pinks and little blues and whites and stuff mixed in it. I'm not sure if it makes a design or not, but I doubt that it does. But it does say that all these skeins are limited, so make sure you buy enough to finish your project. So that is the pink one. You'll be able to tell on their site. They only have so many. And then, oh, this red's gorgeous. That is pretty. Look at that. I like red and brown together. It's got some orange in it. So that red's gorgeous. And it's quite a bit of yardage, I guess. 600 and what I say, 57 yards. Something like that. For $300. Yes, this skein was $300. Can you believe that? 656 yards for $3.75. You gotta excuse me. I went to the dentist today, so it always gets me, makes me weird. Okay, that's pretty. So they had it in red, and then they had it in brown. Very pretty. I like brown though. And then I got a pretty teal blue and some other colors of blue mixed in. So there's that. $375, 657 yards, clearance section, Hobium. See what else I got. Oh, I got some more of those big skeins. It's some different colors. This one was probably my favorite. I thought about making Evelyn a blanket out of it. I don't really like to make blankets, but isn't that pretty? I like the color pink though. So this is that big skein we were talking about for $675 or $625. I'm sorry. Yeah, $625 for 1,200 over 1,200 yards. And it, like I said, it's a lot softer than that other one. It's a soft, nice soft acrylic, you know. Like I said, Hobby Lobby, I love this yarn and stuff. It's pretty pink and white mix, like Tweedy looking. I love it. And I still say it's like a 4, not a 3. So pretty. I love jumbo skeins. That's why my yarn line would be triple this size, so I could be like this. I'm a nerd. Just excuse me. Okay, so those are all the same colors. I just got some of the same colors here, so. I think I have another color in here that I didn't show you. Oh, this one was pretty too. This might have been my second favorite. That pretty. That's 10 with light brown tweeds. Very pretty. Nice. I like it. What you think? I need a pic. I need a pic for my screenshot. This is going to be my thumbnail. You already know that. Maybe. This might be my thumbnail. What do you think? I'm being a nerd today because, like I said, I went to the dentist and then they have this color. This is just a solid navy. It doesn't have any tweed. That felt softer than the other one, so that's nice. I like it. That's an excellent price. Get a lot of yardage in that. Nice. Navy is the color of that one. Okay, I got one more box here, and I think that it is a different one. Yeah, this is just a couple different, let's see. Oh, I got it in white too. I got it in white because if I made Evelyn a blanket out of that pink, I would have to put some ruffles on it for her. She likes ruffles. She's so girly, man. She likes that. She's girly like princessy, but she can be tomboy too. So I got 2 white ones. Same thing. Okay, and then this was another brand they had on clearance. I guess I only got this blue in it. Let me look at it. So they only have 4 colors. They had black, white, and then it looks like a dark gray, and then a navy. So I only got the navy in it. So it's a nice soft acrylic too. These were $2 on clearance and 70 cents. And that is for It is probably a lightweight 3 in my opinion. Seems a bit thinner. I don't know. I think so. You guys can look at it and tell me what, just guess for yourself. And then, what's the yardage on this bad boy? Yardage, 665 meters. So that probably is close to 700 yards. I guess, I don't know. Of a DK for $270. Again, that is another good deal. This is a soft one, like these big ones, like Hobby Lobby, I love this yarn or something. Red Heart, maybe softer than Red Heart with Love, but something like that. So that's the only color I got of this. I didn't get any other. They only have 4 to choose from, so that's it. That's the clearance yarn that I wanted to show you. In my last video, I showed you other clearance yarn that they had. But I was really super excited to get these big old skeins of yarn. That pink is gorgeous. It's my favorite. I love it. So that's it. Quick Hobium unboxing. Tell you about those yarns. Hopefully I didn't weird you out hugging the yarn and stuff. You know, that's just me. I do that kind of stuff. I'm weird. I can't help it. That's just the way it is. So thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to check out all my tutorials. I have hundreds of crochet tutorials. Hey, don't forget to subscribe either. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Maybe you could give me a share. I'd appreciate that. So until next time, bye everybody.